these up. Hey campers, Joe here. We got a special meal for the day tonight. It's sweet and spicy shrimp. This is a half a pound of shrimp, about some chunk pineapple, got some barbecue sauce, got the minute rice. These are those rice cups that you're supposed to microwave, but I have a special way that we're gonna use this. Now you can also throw on some red pepper, chopped up red peppers, but I didn't want to go through all that. This is just great just with the shrimp and the pineapple and the barbecue sauce. That's all you need. Let's get our shrimp in there. While that's cooking, we got to get this pineapple drained. As soon as we get these flipped over, I'm going to put the pineapple in. I'm going to dump these pineapples in now. Get those pineapples warmed up. Now, we need to add our quarter cup of Baby Ray's sweet and spicy barbecue sauce. So, mix these up. I want to let this just simmer a minute and heat through real good. Now that's good and hot in there, you can put it off to the side. Here's the trick I came up with for doing rice. This would be a pre-cooked rice, like the minute rice here. I'm gonna put my rice in here. I'm gonna add boiling water on it, press it down, pour the water out, and then I'll have hot rice. This is the Steel Toe coffee press. And of course, I got soy sauce, a little packet. Okay, so see that rice is in there. And you know what? I realized I should have put the hot water on the rice before I did the meal, because that would have held the heat in it the whole time I was cooking the dish. So I suppose you guys already thought of that before I brought this up. Can't wait to see your comments about this. Oh goodness sake. It's like watching the grass grow, right? All right, we got boiling water. We can turn that off. I'm gonna pour this over my rice. Give that a couple minutes to come to temp. So we're pushing all the rice to the bottom, but I need to dump this water out. Okay, let's dish this up. Get our main course out here. So, get myself some rice out. All right. And let me see if it's hot. It's hot. That's hot. So there you have it. Sweet and spicy shrimp with rice. And my hard iced tea. Don't forget to check out that recipe. That one's pretty good. I like the sweet and spicy. I think almost everybody does. And having the rice go along with it is perfect. So I'm going to finish this and clean things up and do something with the doggies. See you guys later. Forgot to tell you, you could do the same thing with canned chicken. That way if you're looking for meals where you don't have to have refrigeration or cooling, try doing this with canned chicken.